Good morning guys, welcome yourselves back to another video. My name is Morphing City and today we're taking a look at the GoPro Hero 7. So right now guys, you're seeing Hero 5 footage, but I'm about to pick up the Hero 7 in about half an hour actually. It's release day and I'm just waiting for the store to open so I can go pick up my GoPro. Yeah guys, so I don't do this full time or anything, so I do have work today, so I will be cutting. So if you see the time of day changing a whole lot, yeah, basically I'm just using my breaks to go out and film with the GoPro. So yes guys, this is my motovlogger review of the GoPro Hero 7. We're not going to bother with an unboxing or anything like that. I'm just going to jump straight to the GoPro footage when I pick it up, and we'll go over the big question every motovlogger should be asking, and that's its compatibility with the external mic adapter. Right now guys, I'm shooting on the Hero 5 as I mentioned before. Just wanted to let you know I don't have Pro Tune on or anything. This is just the default unedited raw footage. We're shooting at 1080p 60 right now. I will put this down to 1080 30 for the video. We're not looking at quality for this video. We all know what the GoPros are capable of with your previous owners. If you want to see more things about quality, go check out another video guys. There's plenty out there already on quality sound tests with the internal microphone. What we'll be looking at today is how it works, how smooth it is on the bike, and the one really big question, does quick capture work with the mic adapter? If you didn't know already, with the GoPro Hero 5 and 6, when you would use quick capture with the mic adapter, you would capture audio for your first clip, use quick capture a second time, and all that audio would be cut out. So the workaround in the past has been to simply turn off quick capture and use your mode button to turn on the camera every time, hit record, when you finish recording, turn it off, and turn it off again with the mode button. If you don't do this, your battery will drain over time, and it's just really annoying, but it's basically what all us motovloggers have had to live with if you're using a GoPro. So yeah, a lot of people went back to the Hero 4. We won't be doing that. So yeah guys, I have no real need to go back to a Hero 4. I'm quite happy with my Hero 5. I make it work. It took me a while to get there, a long while to figure it all out, but yeah, we're kind of there now. But yeah, I'm really hyped for the new Hero 7. I'm jumping from the 5 to the 7, which I think is probably a worthwhile purchase for quality and some of those new features, especially if you're more of a cinematic motovlogger like me. In terms of the actual GoPro itself, there is no real physical change as far as I'm aware of in terms of specs, other than more RAM, I believe. The sensor and all that is the same from the Hero 6. What you're getting is a huge software advancement. That extra RAM is allowing for big differences in the software, allowing for the new hypersmooth technology, their new time warp functionality, which allows you to record hyperlapses, which I will be using like crazy because that sounds freaking awesome. And yeah guys, I'm almost at work now, so we'll leave the video here and I'll pick it back up when I'm on my way to the shop to grab the Hero 7. Guys, if you're sick of me ranting on already and you want to just get straight to the Hero 7 footage, I'll put a timestamp right here for you guys to jump to that right now. Alrighty guys, see you soon. And we're back guys, on our way to pick up the GoPro Hero 7 now. I won't muck around, let's get there, pick this thing up and check out what we can do with the GoPro Hero 7. Alrighty guys, here we are at Noel Lemming, going in to pick up my GoPro. Alrighty guys, and here we have it. So I got the portable power bank for free for pre-ordering the Hero 7, and of course, yep, here we have it, the GoPro Hero 7. So I'll get back to work guys, I'll get this all unboxed and put on the helmet guys, and we'll get out on my lunch break and give this thing a test. Alright, we'll see you then.
1 hour later.
Alrighty guys, so this is the GoPro Hero 7 here, mounted on my helmet. As you can see from the perspective of my now, Hero 5 is my secondary cam. I've started this up the old-fashioned way, hit mode and record just to make sure it's working. So you guys, I'm shooting down to pick up some lunch now. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see just how smooth this is in comparison. And I'm on a quite bumpy road here too, so good to see a few little bumps in the road. But in theory, it should look way better. Now, I haven't done anything with Pro Tune. All I have done, the camera comes preset in 4:3 ratio. I've switched that to 16:9. We're shooting in 2.7K at 60 frames a second and 1080p on the secondary cam, both in super view. Hey doggo, hey. I'm going to cut the video here guys and start with quick capture for the first time. We should get audio the first time, and then I will start it again with quick capture and we'll see if we get audio or not. Alrighty guys, so we should be recording right now with quick capture the first time round. So mic adapter plugged in, hopefully capturing audio. We'll see how things go. Now I'm stuck in traffic, that's wonderful. When we start again on quick capture. So yeah, while we're sitting here I might as well test it. Quickly going to turn it off and back on with quick capture. Alrighty guys, we're back, hopefully, with audio. Quick capture, audio working? Yes? No? Maybe? I don't know. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed right now, we are getting audio with the GoPro. So that is quick capture second time round, external mic plugged in, with audio hopefully. If not, well, you won't hear me say this, will you? But yeah. Alrighty guys, I powered back on the old fashioned way just to make sure we're capturing audio. Turned on with mode and turned on the power button. Still stuck in traffic, which is super annoying. Probably could filter up, but I don't mind, it's all good. We're testing the camera here, that's what's important. So guys, if you want more of a review on how the quality is and all that sort of stuff, it's very comparable to the Hero 6. I don't really need to say much more about that, we already know that. The hyper smooth feature is probably the most key thing that we're after for the motovloggers, and of course the fixed external mic bug, which hopefully has been fixed. We won't know till I check the footage back. Those are the key things for us motovloggers, and it's kind of like, I feel I'm probably not alone here when we say that us as motovloggers are probably an afterthought when it comes to GoPro's market, but the thing is, you got to remember that GoPro's normal market with action cameras is a niche in itself. So as motovloggers, we're a niche within a niche, if that makes sense. I guess it's kind of hard to appeal to us, although I do feel like it's about time they made that change. And oh my god, this little Grom coming past, hey. Come on car, seriously, you could have gone. This is painful. I'm actually going on holiday next week and doing a massive scenic trip around the South Island of New Zealand. So guys, feel free if you want to check that out, including a more in-depth review of the GoPro Hero 7, including all the features like time warp and all that sort of stuff, and how it might now be the perfect one-camera solution for a cinematic motovlogger. Alrighty guys, I know the footage has been a bit boring here, but hopefully you're seeing how smooth it is. Just going to do a quick swipe around with my head. But yeah, hopefully it's a lot nicer.
Soon after.
Oh my god guys, MTO7. Holy shit guys, I just picked up my lunch and yep, I can confirm quick capture works second time round. That is a complete game changer for GoPro. That is insane. That is what everyone has been waiting for. Don't run over the old man. But guys, that is what everyone has been waiting for, and that is insane. I can't believe it's finally happened. So yes, we still have to use the ridiculous bulky mic adapter, but we can use quick capture now. It's back. Quick capture is back. It's working with the mic adapter. That is a serious game changer for GoPro and motovlogging in future. Oh my gosh, it's been such a gripe for people, you know, losing their audio because of two things. One of those things still might be an issue with the mic adapter becoming loose or things like that, but no longer do we have to worry about quick capture. Losing audio from the second time onwards you record. That is great. That is a serious game changer guys. That is actually, I can without a doubt recommend the GoPro Hero 7 now. That was all I needed to know to recommend this camera, and that has changed everything for me and motovloggers alike, I'm sure. Along with the new hyper smooth footage, which is apparently noticeably better and gimbal-like. You couple that with the hyperlapse ability with the new time warp function, and you've got a really great camera. Would I upgrade from a Hero 6? It's probably not a cost I'm willing to make right now, considering I just parted with, you know, so much money on the 6. But from the 5, 100% yes. 100% yes, I would upgrade from the Hero 5 right now. Anything below that, heck yes, it's a worthwhile investment. Guys, if you're thinking about making motovlogs or you're currently motovlogging, the Hero 7 might just be the camera for you. I just want to remind you all guys that currently in the United States only, so I didn't get to benefit from this at all, but they're offering a trade-in on your old GoPros to get $100 US off the new GoPro Hero 7. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Any GoPro, any condition, and they'll take it back and take $100 off the credit. Go check it out now on GoPro's official website, guys. An issue I was having with my Hero 5, guys, was the mic adapter like cracking and popping every now and again while I was riding. It generally only happened at higher speeds. Too slow. Alright guys, I'm going to hit this street here to see if that is still an issue. So if we get wind noise now, that's not really an issue. That's just where my mic's placed. We're looking for popping, cracking from the mic adapter disconnecting. I'm running along now, 60 miles an hour, 100k. Alright guys, hopefully we didn't notice anything there. So yeah guys, this has been my quick review. Yeah, not as professional as I'd like to have shot it, but I wanted to get it up really quick for you guys. And also, I only had time to shoot it during my breaks at work today. So that's been pretty crazy. So you guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. I will get a bit more footage later on that I might splice in before this, but as for now guys, I've been Morphine City, and as always, have fun, stay young, and peace. Whoopacha! Whoopacha! 2 cameras now, I don't know what to do.